5137 Miller, Maple Heights. It's your virtual tour. You can see all this is all repainted and redone. It's an awesome place. You have a studio, bedroom here, vinyl windows, all new plugs and switches, new blinds. Pretty big eat-in kitchen. I mean, it's big. It's got the fridge in there already. So, and you have plenty of storage here. And you have a nice backyard. You got a first floor, another bedroom, or entryway, excuse me. You have a first floor bathroom here. Nice bathroom. You have a little walk-through area here. You can go upstairs. You can see you have a one bedroom. All brand new paint, interior. Redid the floors, plugs, switches, lights. There's your smoke detector. We also redid the floors, blinds, everything. So you can see here. So you got 3 bedrooms up here alone, plus 2 other bedrooms. You can almost make this a 5 bedroom if you needed to. Here's the other one. Great area, nice stuff. So let's go down in the basement here. Got a full basement. The heater's pretty new in it too. Wind. So let's go down to the basement here. You got a big basement, full basement. So you can see here, you got a lot of room down here. Your laundry's right there. A lot of storage. Glass block windows, the whole works. So this is your virtual tour. This is 5137 Miller. Thanks.